That's me. So here the bag is. I opened it a little so I could see which merch item it was, and it's the Jacob Sartorius one because I felt the poster. Am I focused?
Yeah.
Oh, first off, I got this Sartorius shirt. Everything is an extra large, but this is really big. You always gotta be prepared because you never know. It might be small. So this is the shirt. It's pretty long. So I'll definitely be wearing leggings with this. But it's nice. So that's all I have to say. So next up, I got this Sartorius navy jacket. But that's really big. But that's nice. I'll go see in the mirror, but twinsies! Have to be in focus. Huh. Pretty nice. I like it. I like extra big stuff. Kind of like I'll see you next time Billie Eilish merch comes. But here is the poster. Jacob Sartorius, all my friends. So it's the next day and I got my Billie Eilish merch, so let's unbox it. But this is the shirt on. It's pretty comfortable and I don't mind the largeness of the shirt because it is a one size fits all. This is the bag, it says copycat. You can definitely see the words. I really love it. And bye, Felicia. Peace out.